Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Doggy doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from LUTH-AR. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. LUTH-AR. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's go ahead and get this open. This is the bottom of the box. So let's carefully cut this reinforced tape. And let's go ahead and open this. I can see already an advertising card. I got the manifest. And let's take a look at the contents. Reinforced and a sticker. Okay. So, again, LUTH-AR. And looks like our advertising card here for your reference. Okay, so what we have here are just a few items. Looks like they stuck them in a nice Ziploc bag. And then they also reinforced this. Okay, so you might already be able to recognize these items. Largest here looks like an A1 handguard in OD green. You can see here it's got heat shields. You can see the style of that and how these would normally go together in that familiar triangular shape. Triangular fore end with the space for your barrel passage. And this is your tunnel vision view that way. As well as you can see here the vent hole design. So A1 style handguards in OD green. Next up, I guess the easiest thing to see here, we have an AR-15A2 pistol grip, also OD green. See there, normal style with the finger bump, hole for your detent and spring area, and the various texturing on the A2 style grip. For me, I guess it fits my hand. Let's see what's next. We have the A1 style pistol grip in OD green. So you can see the difference, no finger bump, and the style of texturing. See here, it's smooth on the back. And the hole there for attaching whatever swivel attachment would fit on there normally. And your hole for the detent and spring. So A2, A1. And then we just have some hardware here to help with attaching these. I won't take them out of the bag. But you can see here we have pistol grip bolt, as well as pistol grip screw lock washer. So you can see it's got those little grip teeth there. And they stamped out the washers. And the style of bolt looks like flathead, large blade screwdriver. So pistol grip screw lock washers, 2 of them, 2 of the pistol grip bolts, A1 pistol grip OD green, AR-15A2 pistol grip OD green, and started off with an A1 handguard in OD green. Of course, these all came from LUTH-AR. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. LUTH-AR. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos, as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.